Okay. Oo nga, ba't kaya ganon? Ano sa tingin nyo? Bakit lagi kayong binabagyo? Bakit binabagyo ang Pilipinas lagi? Ayan, ba't kaya binabagyo tayo lagi, no? Marso 15, Mix TV, mega love shoutout. Thank you sa dikit. Bigyan kita ng jacket, idol. Ayan, may jacket ka na. Ayan. So yun, Marso 15. Ay, walang snow dito ngayon. So, ayun, medyo maliwanag na dito, guys. Nandito na kami sa bayan. Ayan. Oh yeah, this is so much better.
Stop snowing.
Ayan, wala nang snow. Pupunta kami ng airport, guys. Naka 20. Oh, Kitty Fines. Hello, Kitty Fines. How are you? Stop line. Nasa bayan tayo ng Alaska. Ayan, papunta na tayo sa city ng Alaska. Welcome here, Kitty Fines. Oh yeah, you wanna, we have time, you wanna get,
No, we don't have
okay.
time. On the way home we will.
Okay, thank you. But I did this one, it's relatively clean, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's full of ice now.
Ayan, babaeng pinagpala, ayan guys. So, andito na kami sa bayan. And then, mga, how many more minutes to the airport? Ano tayo guys, 24 minutes. So, yan. So, dito na sa bayan, malapit na sa airport. Busy na check-in. And then, punta sa warm weather. Makakuha ng vitamin D. Yeah, it's clean here. Yeah, dun lang sa highway.
Yeah, they didn't have,
not much snow here. Wow, they probably, they plowed really good, ha? Ayan, wala masyadong snow. Ayan, snow dito sa bayan. Oh, wow, they plow it really good this time. They really clear it. I think they just cleared this one. What do you think?
Yeah, see way over there, yeah.
Yeah, I think they just did it. Oh, wow.
See how far over, yeah.
Yep, it's like the road is so wide.
3 lanes.
Yeah, well, before, see, they clean it. Yeah. Guys. Okay. They probably take advantage. It's like, oh, this one does not. Yeah. This is what I'm used to.
This isn't really all that bad. So they got all day Sunday, then Sunday night into Monday. So the thing is, they lucked out on the timing of the storm.
Yeah. Ayan, dito sa bayan, guys. May mga gising pa talaga kahit alas 3 ng madaling araw. Ayan, guys. Minsan mga homeless siguro. Oh.